Today we have a very specific tool right here. This is the Allen or the Kinetics as it is sold on Amazon multi-tool. And I thought I'd go ahead and show this to you. This comes in used somewhere around the $10 range and brand new on Amazon, only $20. So it is very, very reasonable. Now here on the end, we actually have a decent set of pliers, and we actually have wire cutters that seem to work all right, even on coat hanger wire. This one right here has a unique tool head in that right here we have the carbide broadhead sharpener. So yes, this is an archery specific multi-tool. It's considered a 15 plus specific different tools that work with that. Then on the end, we've got this knock plier right here. And then let's go ahead and transition to the pliers. Now, the newer modern iteration you'll find on Amazon actually has just stainless steel. These right here are coated, and I do find them a little bit more comfortable than just a stainless steel version. So you might be worth buying the older version, as you could probably buy it newer on eBay, new in the package. Now, what we have right here are a couple Allen wrenches on the inside. So let's just go ahead and take out all these tools. And so on the one side, we have a 3/16, and on the other side, we have a 7/32. And then you can sort of see, I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but it shows from the outside right there, so that when these tools are closed, you can easily pick which one you want, which is nice. Then on this side, we have a very generic, again, looking knife right here. And none of these tools lock, by the way. And then we do have this clip right here as well. So unfortunately, you can tell that spring very, very cheap looking right there. And that's sort of the theme of this tool. So we've got this Allen wrench on this side, and then we've got a couple tools right here. Now, this is where it gets interesting. So we've got a vane stripper at the bottom. So we've got a cutout right there. A lot of times these would be labeled as a wire stripper or something, but this is a vane stripper. And then the next tool we have right here is actually the knock tuning tool rather, and then a broadhead collar wrench right on the end. And then on this side right here, we have some wrenches. So we have the 1/4 inch in the middle, or on the end rather, 5/16, and then also we've got 3/8. So you've got those as well. Then right here on the end, we've got 2, 3, or 4 blade broadhead wrench. So all very specific to the archery industry or the archery hobby. So for those of you who go hunting, I've got a question. Is this the best tool you found? Now, in the past, Gerber has made an archery multi-tool, and Leatherman has more of a keychain one, or a thing you would clip on your backpack, not really a full-size one. And I think perhaps in the past, Gerber made the Myth. I've got the shotgun version, but I think there's an archery version as well. So there are a couple of tools that have been made, and I see some archery cards that you can buy on Amazon, some of those archery snowflakes that you can buy as well that have different tools. So I'd be interested to know if you think this is the most useful tool right now on the market. Unfortunately, it's not that great. The pliers are actually all right. I don't think there's anything hugely wrong with them. They actually don't feel gritty, which I'm surprised. And even the outside doesn't feel just too bad, but again, you can tell it's a very cheap tool, especially when we look at the spring on this clip right here, and then it's just really, really a cheap spring. But anyway, it is, I would say, about a $10 tool. I won't spend too much more. I think $20 is asking too much actually on Amazon. So if you're interested in this, I would definitely buy this used, because I feel like there are a lot of options on eBay.